Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 5. I'm posting a little bit early this week because I'm going to take my son this afternoon up to Denali, and we're going to do a few-day backpacking trip and get away from our technology for a couple days. The last 2 days I had 2 major presentations at national online events, and I need a couple days away from my screen before I come back on Wednesday to your final personal narratives, which I'm really looking forward to reading. So this week you should be finishing up your peer review. I want you to just think about the people who you're sending your draft to as people who you can email or call and ask questions, respond to one another in a way that, helps your partners bring their draft forward. And be sure to ask your group questions if you have them as, things come up. But keep in mind that some people might need to finish the peer review early because they might have camping trips or work or, anything else going on over the weekend. So try to respect everyone's time. So you'll see here in week 5, you're going to turn in your essay by June 16th, which is next Wednesday. Along with the essay, you're also going to turn in this form in which you're telling me, extra information about writing your paper. And this gives you a chance to contribute to the grading and also my understanding of your process. So you're going to tell me how you met the course objectives, and you have an opportunity here to let me know what grade you think you received on the paper and anything else you want to let me know about your work. So I'm canceling my office hours on Monday, but I will be back for office hours on Wednesday, and I'm going to not respond to emails until at least Tuesday night, so I get a couple days away. So don't worry if you don't hear back from me. I'm just recharging to get ready for this next set of online learning. I will be around this afternoon, so if you have any questions, go ahead and email me then. Everyone have a great weekend. I hope you're all doing well.